Hi, this is Sparky Steve with a review on my new Victron 12 volt 25 amp Blue Smart Charger from my generator. With battery power being an important part of camping and getting away, it's good to know that our batteries are fully charged and in the best possible shape before we start. We need to keep all the important beverages cold. Before going away, I like to charge my lithium battery with my Victron Blue Smart Charger from my generator. Some of my favourite features about the Blue Victron Smart Charger are IP65 waterproof enclosure, optimal charge rates, choice of safe, quick connect, or optional crocodile clip connections. You can also monitor the status of what's going on with your charging on your phone. Great options. Then they've also backed their product with a 5-year warranty, which gives you peace of mind. I can't rave enough about my Victron Blue Smart Charger and the team at my generator, and that's why it gets a thumbs up from me. Thank you.